Aloha, day 286, meditation on speaking mindlessly. It is often the case that we are mistaken in the way we see things and that we express this view through speech without intending to lie. There is a Tibetan story of a man who saw a big fish and who is asked how big the fish was. He replies, gesturing as he speaks, that the fish was really, really large. People ask him to be more precise. How big exactly? Then the size of the fish becomes a little smaller. So, joking apart, how big really was it? This time the fish has become really quite small. One cannot say that the man began by lying. He was simply not paying attention to what he was saying. Strangely, certain people always seem to express themselves in this way. Tibetans are a case in point. When they tell a story, they do not offer any proof, and nobody asks where the news came from or how the story came to pass. Those who tend to talk this way should pay more attention to what they are saying. Meditation on speaking mindlessly. Sometimes these stories that are programmed, we just keep repeating the story. It's like, where is this coming from? Is there truth to that? Think about what we're saying, the stories that we live by. Happy meditating!